What's going on, SHIB Army? Welcome back here to this channel. We're going to talk about 100 trillion SHIB. That's a lot of SHIB. 100 trillion SHIB moved as the Shiba Inu bulls face a daunting task on price-saving mission. And we're going to get into the price of Shiba Inu right now. We've kind of been stuck and kind of been range-bound, or in other words, kind of stuck in this consolidation phase. We're going to talk about what are some of the things that could happen here, some of the ways this could play out. And in this video, of course, we're going to take a look at the charts and also talk about this 100 trillion SHIB move that a lot of people are talking about here this morning. So all of that and more right here in this video. All I ask, guys, it's totally free to smash the like button. Go ahead and hammer it, SHIB Army, because things are looking on the up and up overall. We'll take a look at the chart first and foremost, guys. You can see here we did spike up, obviously, to the 4-5 range. This was back on March the 5th. Since then, we've been coming down. But really, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days or so, we've been kind of just trending sideways here. We're trying to get back up above that 20-day moving average. Now, when we look at some of the technicals, still showing a buy, and moving averages still showing a strong buy. The only thing we're not above is that simple moving average, or the SMA, which we're getting close up there to that 3.0 level. If we can reclaim that, things can get really interesting. We are up about 3.5% right now. If we go into the hour by hour, we get a little bit better picture of what's happening with SHIB. We did get the momentum up on the hour by hour chart. Okay, this was yesterday. At some point, we got the momentum up on the hourly chart. We're trying to get back here above this 2.8 range. You can see here, this is where we're meeting some resistance, okay? If we can get up to that 2.9 level, look, we've come up here once, twice, 3 times, and we're trying to make another push up there. Above that 2.9 level, look out. Then we could see some upside potential back up into the 3s. Now, we'll get into this $100 trillion SHIB as well, because this is a big piece of the puzzle right now. A lot of people are talking about it. And when we look at on-chain data, guys, SHIB presently trades 100 trillion SHIB were bought by 140,000 addresses in this range of the 2.3 and 3.0. That's why it's so difficult right now to move the needle. Average cost is that 2.6 range. The large size of cluster indicates that this is a key price range on-chain. So right now we're stuck in an area where a lot of people purchased SHIB. Bulls are currently focusing on this key level as well, which could act as a springboard. Looking ahead, Shiba Inu will face its next big resistance right at that 3-level flat. In between that 3 to the 3.7, where another 29 trillion SHIB were purchased for an average price of the 3.3 range. This is where we'll meet some more resistance if we can get above the current levels that we just talked about on the charts. Now, SHIB's next support level, in terms of, if we were to dial back, it's between the 19 and 23 level, where 47,000 addresses hold SHIB, 35 trillion worth, and that's an average price of the 2.1 there. That is the 4021. Right now, SHIB's sustaining the $100 trillion SHIB range that might be key to forestalling declines. And we've been pretty nice there. I mean, that is we're kind of hanging in the balance right now, okay? And if we go over here on SHIB, they talk about it here too. There was a $500 billion SHIB moved by an anonymous whale as well. Are they connected? Anonymous whales have shifted a staggering $500 billion SHIB tokens in the last 24 hours. Taking a look, it seems a few key players are moving SHIB between wallets and exchanges. Nothing to be worried about here. 77 billion SHIB transferred to Coinbase wallet. Another 205 made their way from different wallets, including a major one to Robinhood's wallet. Are these transactions connected? It's hard to say, but they sure seem coordinated. But it looks like they're just moving around for safety measures and not necessarily selling reasons. So if we're taking a look at the chart, guys, again, this is our key level we're watching, this 286 level. We've come up here 3 different times. Can we break that here today? We're at 2808 flat right now. That is what we'll be watching for the rest of this weekend as we head into Monday. Of course, we'll be here locked in every step of the way. For all your Shiba Inu news and content, make sure you guys subscribe down below. Hit this like button so this video gets out to more people. and we'll see what happens next with the price of SHIB. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.